Good morning, everyone. For today, we are going to be looking at a journal and then comparing and contrasting some myths. So for the first thing today, you want to complete the journal. And again, we're still looking at mythology, so you're going to be watching a myth. This is an Irish myth called the Myth of Oisin and the Land of Eternal Youth. And then after you have watched the video, you will respond to the question, what lesson does this myth teach, and explain your thinking. So if you think that the myth teaches that you should be nice to everyone, which is not the message that it's sending, but if you were to say that, then you would want to explain, like, for example, in the video, Oisin does da-da-da, and then he learns da-da-da, right? So make sure that you're explaining your thinking and you're not just saying what the myth teaches and then leaving it at that. You want to write 3 sentences with proper capitalization and punctuation in order to receive credit. So I'm not going to play the video here because it's embedded in your journal, so you can watch it on your own. But watch the video and then answer the question for your journal for today. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is a creation myth comparison. So if you click on this assignment number 2, it will pull this up for you. So you're going to be reading 3 myths and completing the comparison chart, as well as listing out some similarities. There are video directions attached to this assignment right here at the top. So I'm not going to go through it in very much depth at all, but what I want you to do is when you go to this assignment, click on video directions, click on the link for YouTube, and that will pull up the video directions for that specific assignment, okay? So I want to make sure that you are able to access those, but I also don't want to go over them here when you're already getting them in another video. Finally, just a reminder that if you haven't turned in your Patterns of Myth assignment or your Article of the Week 5, which several of you have not done, then that's something that you should be working on today as well. So I didn't give another assignment for today, just so that those of you who need to finish these things up can get them finished and turned in. Question and hour links are posted for 6th and 7th hour. So if you have questions, feel free to call into those times, or you can also email me or send me a Canvas inbox message. Have a great day, everybody.